1. Embracing ChatGPT and AI hacks in Microsoft Office can supercharge your productivity and efficiency, unlocking a world of limitless possibilities at your fingertips. 2. These innovative tools are not just about automating tasks, but about empowering you to focus on what truly matters, enabling you to reach your goals faster and with greater ease. 3. With ChatGPT and AI hacks, you'll find a constant source of inspiration, support, and guidance, helping you tackle any challenge that comes your way in the dynamic world of office work. 4. By harnessing the potential of AI in Microsoft Office, you're not only staying ahead of the curve, but also setting the stage for personal and professional growth like never before. 5. So remember, your journey with ChatGPT and AI hacks is a journey towards mastery, excellence, and a brighter, more accomplished future in the realm of Microsoft Office. Embrace these technologies and let your potential soar.